So let's say that the American Express has an 18% APR and the Discover has a 20% APR. Now, obviously, you're going to sit here and think about which one's better. At the end of the day, what I want to explain is that it doesn't matter if this one has a 70% APR or if this one has a 50% APR. Credit cards are not meant to rack up debt. They're meant to pay them in full. So that's why it doesn't matter. This is why I teach many of my students that forget about the APR that the credit card is offering you, whether it's a 5% or whether it's an 80% APR. That's not the point, because the way that I teach and the way that you're supposed to use credit cards is to use it like a debit card. It's only spend what you have. So if you spend $20, guess what? You're going to pay those $20 in full. So don't focus on how much the APR on that credit card is, because at the end of the day, that should not matter. Because again, credit cards are not meant to rack up debt or to leave balances. They're there to earn the cash back or the points or the miles, and to reap the benefits of the credit card company. Okay, so they're not there for you to keep a balance and you should be contemplating, oh, this APR is better. No, because at the end of the day, credit cards are not meant to have to carry a balance. Treat your credit card like a debit card and make sure you pay off your credit cards in full.